Down the years it's been a ride, and now I'm sorry I want more, let's not end tonight. And on as we go we seem to fight, but baby that's just the way we love, and only in the dark.
I first met her 6 years ago thanks to Mike and Jordan. I knew something was different about her when I first met her. It took some time, it took some years for me to realize what it was. And it was that she was truly perfect inside and out. We knew we could not be without each other, and we wanted to spend the rest of our lives together side by side. Cheyenne, I cannot believe how far we've become. Sometimes it still has me in shock. I'm just thinking how lucky I am and to be able to wake up every morning knowing I have you in my life. Thank you for marrying me and being my wife.
It's never a goodbye. It's never a goodbye.
Richard, my husband, I love your ability to fill my heart with so much happiness. The love you give me is so genuine and pure. I often catch myself in disbelief that someone as wonderful as you exists. I'm so honored to call myself your wife. You make me feel so much love just by one look. It's not only because of your charming blue eyes, but the passion behind them. I marry you today with no hesitation and no doubt. Every part of my soul knows we were made for one another. You complete me sounds so cliche, but those 3 words couldn't be more true. I promise to love you unconditionally through sickness and health.
I promise to split the difference on the thermostat with you. I promise to you that I'm absolutely committed to you, our relationship, and our marriage. I'm here today because I know that being with you is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I know that I'll always hope to make you laugh when I'm frustrated, support me when I'm needed, and nurture anything in your path, dog or human. I'm happy and confident as I've ever been because I know no matter what happens, I have you.
I vow to commit myself fully to our marriage. I will always give it my all. I vow to respect your fortnight time with the boys, but I'll probably still bug you maybe once or twice while you're playing. The love we have for one another is truly unique. With you, I have grown into the type of person I'm proud to be. You taught me that in order to experience great love with someone, you must have that love with yourself. With our love, the possibilities will be endless. Together, we will conquer any obstacles the world may throw at us. Our children will grow in such a loving household together. We will teach them how to love themselves and how to show them what true love means. Our love will last beyond a lifetime. I promise to love you for all eternity.
And I want you to know that I'll always be there to make you feel better when you've had a rough day, to listen to you when you have something to share, and to be as patient as possible when you're upset, and to remind you every day how much I love you.
Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone when you come back home. Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone so when you come back home. Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone when you come back home. Calling back to a different time. Maybe I need to hear
Now,
your voice
by the power
to make
vested in
me
me
smile.
by the
No,
state
no,
of
no,
California,
it's not said.
it is my honor, my privilege, my delight to declare you husband and wife. You may seal this declaration with a kiss.
years pass by. 10 years down the line, there's really gonna be a second time. But just now before we go, we can make it right. Wipe your tears away, cause there's no goodbye. Show me where you've gone when you come back home.
There is nothing I would not do for this young gentleman, and I appreciate his parents for bringing up a young man with so much respect and so much to give to my daughter that I very appreciate it very much.
Shay, we could not be more proud to have you as our daughter-in-law and in our family. Quick story about Shay. Every year we go to Skid Row, Mary and I, for my birthday and provide meals for them. Well, Shay went and created 100 humanitarian packs with toothbrushes, toothpaste, socks, and soap for the less fortunate. And at that point I really realized what an amazing human being she is.
Knowing that he has such high standards and particular taste, I never knew if he would find a woman that would make him want to settle down. But he's done exactly that with Shay. Not only does Shay match him in generosity and kindness, but is also willing to go along with him on his crazy adventures.
You have all of the qualities that I wish I had a better take on. Maybe that's why we bumped heads while we were growing up. You are confident, approachable, and don't take no for an answer. You look beautiful tonight, and I loved watching Rich's face as you walked down the aisle.
Shay, you're marrying the most generous and caring man I know. You really bring out the best in him. I know he truly cares for you as well. Richard and Shay, I'm excited for you both, and I know you're going to make a great team. I wish you nothing but the best and love and joy for many years to come. Congratulations.
Show me where you've gone, so when you come back home. Show me where you've gone, so we can write the storm. Show me where you've gone, when you come back home. Show me where you've gone, so we can write the storm. Show me where you've gone, when you come back home. Show me where you've gone, so we can write the storm. Show me where you've gone, so when you come back home. Show me where you've gone, so we can ride the storm.